Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about digital worksheets for group 2 of Jolly Phonics letters. So today we have here k, k, e, r, d. Okay, so this is very simple. All we're doing is tracing the letter to the object. So each one has an object that your child needs to trace the letter to. Okay, very simple, very important. Very important with regards to developing grip control with the pencil. Moving on to the next worksheet, we have the letter K, where you have to just match the picture to the letter sound. So we are doing K, cucumber, and then your child just needs to use a pencil and then mark if they are the correct sounds. K, car, and castanets, caterpillar, and so forth. And the sled and the shoes don't match, so that's left alone. Next one is letter formation, where you're simply tracing the capital and small letters. And the last one is left blank, so you can write it yourself with dots if needed. Letter K, where you are matching again with the appropriate sound of the letter. And once that's marked, you can move on to the next worksheet. Here we have K as in kit and koala. So again, capital and small. The same thing we are doing with the letter E. These are all the short sounds we are practicing right now. So you're just marking elephant, eggplant, envelope, elk, and egg. Next one is the same thing. You're tracing the capital and small. They are doing the same thing with H, that is and then a capital and small. Then we're doing with capital and small. We're doing with M, that is doing the same thing with D. In this worksheet, we are matching the capital with the small letters. So you're going to find C and match it with the small c. So k, you're matching with okay. Next slide we have here is matching the sound letters with the object, and then the same thing on the other column. So for example, C here, that is K for crab, and that K for cake. Okay, and the same thing, for example, here R, ring, R, and then rhino. Okay. Next worksheet we have here is fill in the blanks. So you're going to fill in with the appropriate first letter sound of the object in question. So here we have cup. So you're just going to fill that cup. You're going to put C in there and fill that cup. This is dog, king, mug, rat, elk, and hen. Next, we are going to follow the directions to find a new word. So here we have cup. So you're putting C-U-P, and then you're going to replace the U with the A. So we have P. Replaced to A will be K-A-P, cap. So here will be mop, and you're replacing O with A will be map. And we are following the same directions for each word as we're going down. So this will be mat, this will be hit, this will be rug, and this will be pen. Next is tricky words, where you're going to go ahead and now in this worksheet we have introduced he, she, and to, TWO. So we are going to do the first reading the word, tracing the word, and then coloring the word. And then you're just going to connect the word H and E like so. And then you're going to find the word. You're just going to circle that word, and all the other words that where you find he, you're just going to circle that. Then you're going to trace the H-E, he, H-E, he. You're going to fill in the missing letters, H-E, he. And then you're going to fill that same word in a sentence. He has a cap. Next one is she. Same way, you're just going to read, trace, and color. And then you're going to do joining the dots. S-H-E, she. And the same way, you're going to find the word and circle the she's that you find in here, fill in the blanks, and then you're going to go ahead and use she in a sentence. Next one we have TWO2. In group 1 we had 1 as a tricky word, and in this group we have 2 as a tricky word, and in the other groups each group has the number that keeps getting added on. And by group 7 you probably have the 8, 9, 10 added to group 7. So here we have number 2, you're doing the same tracing, coloring, fill in the blanks, picking and circling it. And then here you're just going to match by counting. So it's 2 here, and then you're just going to connect 2. Okay. Then we have trace, say, and write, where you're going to go ahead and write certain words that the child can learn. These words are important because they are a part of the word bank. Some of them are practice words and some of them are words from the word bank. So just make sure that your child learns how to read them while they are also writing them. So this is a perfect way of practicing. Then this is the next list of words. And then finally we have the 2 letters, they come together to make one sound, that is k. So we have the K-I-C-K, k, k. So all these words here are the CK words that makes one sound k. Okay. And I think that's the last worksheet for group 2. And this is 25 worksheets all in one. So let me know what you think about these worksheets. If you would like a copy of this, please let me know. You know where to find us. We are at Scholar and on Facebook. Let us know what you think about these. If you would like some amendments or if you would like something customized to your need, please let us know that too. Take care. Thank you very much.